नमस्कार दर्शक बंधु मु ज्ञान रंजन स्वागत करुच्ची आपको फाइट फॉर एग्जाम यूट्यूब चैनल को। जदि आप आम चैनल को एपर्यंत सब्सक्राइब करते हैं यथाशीघ्र तले थिबा घंटी आइकन को दबाई दिंतु और सब्सक्राइब करनी आम जो रिसेंट अपडेट आसपारे आपंकर एग्जाम प्रिपेरेसन गोटे बूस्टर हिसाब से काम कर मुझे मु ज्ञान रंजन पुणी आप स्वागत करुच्ची। आज आपण नहीं आसी साइंस मास्टर क्लास इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस फॉर सीटी बीडी ओटीटी एनटीपीसी ग्रुप डी ओएसएससी डिफरेंट एग्जाम रे जो साइंस रे जो मेगा क्वेश्चन आछि से मेगा क्वेश्चन रो सियोर शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन माला मु आपण मानक पई नै आछि। चलंतु आरंभ करिबा आज रो एपिसोड आउ डेरी न करी जिबा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। The study of animals and plants to surroundings. The study of animals and plants to surrounding is called option A ecology, B ethology, C genealogy, D iconology. All of you know ecology is the study of the relationship between plants, animals, people and their environment and the balances between these relationships. So correct answer is option A is the correct answer, that is ecology. The study of animals and plants to the surrounding is called ecology. जदि आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना प्लीज 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 सब्सक्राइब करनी एवं बहुमात्रा शेयर करूँ तापर जो रिसेंट अपडेट्स आसपारे और आपंकर एग्जाम प्रिपेरेसन बहुत हेल्पफुल दब। गो टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। At which stage in its life cycle does the silkworm yield the fiber for commercial use? At which stage in its life cycle does the silkworm yield the fiber for its commercial use? Option A larva, B egg, C pupa, D imago. All of you know the silkworm is the larva or caterpillar or image of the domestic silk moth Bombyx mori. It is an economically important insect being a primary producer of silk. So correct answer is correct answer is larva. Option A is the correct answer. Go to next question. Sphygmomanometer measure the blood pressure in the option A veins, B arteries, C eyes, D synovial. So all of you know blood pressure is measured by instrument called sphygmomanometer, also called absolute pressure meter. It is used to measure the pressure of the blood in arteries. So correct answer is option number B, that is arteries. Sphygmomanometer measure the blood pressure in the arteries. Go to next question. Question number 4. The sigmoid colon is the part of option A small intestine, B large intestine, C rectum, D pharynx. The sigmoid colon is the part of, so students all of you know the sigmoid colon, that is known as pelvic colon, is the part of the large intestine that is closest to the rectum and anus. It forms a loop that averages about 35 to 40 cm in length. 35 to 40 cm. So correct answer is large intestine. Option B is the correct answer. It is a part of the large intestine. Go to next question. Question number 5. Nitrogen fixation. जवाक्षारजन विबंधन जोटा कहते हैं नाइट्रोजन fixation is the process of option A. Nitrogen fixation is the process of option A assimilation of nitrate, B utilization of nitrogen gas, C conversion of organic nitrogen into protein, D. Conversion of molecular nitrogen into ammonia. So, friends, you know, nitrogen fixation is a process by which atmospheric nitrogen is converted either by a natural or an industrial means to form a nitrogen such as ammonia. So, correct answer is conversion of molecular nitrogen into ammonia. Option D is the correct answer. So, it can be utilized for the plants. Go to question number. So, correct answer is option D. Go to next question. Question number 6. A genetically engineered form of brinjal is known as beet brinjal. आपने शुणी beet brinjal hybrid baigana has been formed. The objective of this is एटार objective कौन? Option A, to make it pest resistant. B, to make its taste and its nutritive value. C, to make it drought resistant. To make it shelf life longer. कोटा यार मुख्य उद्देश्य बीटी ब्रिंजल जो बना तार मूल उद्देश्य कौन? So, you know, a genetically engineered form of brinjal known as beet brinjal has been developed. The objective of this is to make it pest resistant. It is created by inserting a crystal protein gene from the soil bacterium Bacillus thuringiensis into genome of various brinjal cultivars. So, correct answer is to make it pest resistant. Option A is the correct answer. এটা হচ্ছে তার মূল উদ্দেশ্য। Go to next question. Question number 7. Which enzyme is present in all members of animal kingdom except protozoa? Which enzyme is present in all members of the animal kingdom except protozoa? Option A, insulin. B, pepsin. C, renin. D, amylase. All of you know amylase enzyme is present in all members of animal kingdom except protozoa. It helps in digesting carbohydrates. So, correct answer is amylase. Option D is the correct answer. आपण माने निश्चय कमेंट बॉक्स रे लिखि पठांतु आउट ऑफ 20 आपण माने केतेटी सठिक उत्तर करि पारले आपनकर दम केते आमे जानिबु. Go to next question. Which of the following SI unit is not correctly matched? Which of the following SI unit is not correctly matched? कोटा मैच करू नाही. Option 1, work joule. B, force newton. C, mass kg. D, pressure dyne. कोटा करेक्टली मैच करू नाही. एथिरे आपण देखंतु वर्क रो जूल ठीक अछि, फोर्स रो न्यूटन ठीक अछि, मास रो केजी ठीक अछि. डी टा ठी ऑप्शन भूल अछि आपनकर. प्रेशर रो डाइन सहित मैच हो नाही. प्रेशर रे कोन हेथांता पास्कल, कोन हेथांता PASCAL पास्कल. So correct answer is D. D टा मैच करू नाही. Go to next question. Question number 9. Which of the following is the unit of measure of thickness of the ozone layer in atmosphere? Which of the following is the unit of measure of thickness of the ozone layer of the atmosphere? Option A, knot. B, Dobson. C, Poise. D, Maxwell. So, all of you know, ozone layer thickness is expressed in terms of Dobson units, which measure what its physical thickness would be if compressed in Earth atmosphere. One Dobson unit is defined to be 0.01 millimeter thickness STP. So, correct answer is Dobson. Option B is the correct answer. Go to next question. The density of milk can be obtained by the use of. The density of milk can be obtained by the use of option A, lactometer. B, hydrometer. C, barometer. D, thermometer. So, all of you know lactometer is used for the measurement of density of milk. Barometer is used to measure the fat content in milk and milk products. So, correct answer is lactometer. sorry, density of milk. So density of milk is measured by the instrument that is butyrometer. Option number C. Density means केते फैट अछि सेथिरे हमें जानि परिबा. Go to next question. Question number 11. It is difficult to walk on rice than road. It is difficult to walk on rice than road because option A, ice is harder than road. B, road is harder than ice. C, ice doesn't offer any reaction when we push it with our foot. D, ice has a lesser friction than road. All of you know it is very difficult to walk on ice than on the road because ice has lesser friction than the road. The roughness of road surface gives you much frictional force that enables you to move forward on the road. So correct answer is D. Ice has lesser friction than road. This is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 12. Satellite is kept moving in its orbit around the Earth. It is due to option A, centrifugal force, B, centripetal force, C, gravitational force, D, rotational force. Centripetal force is a real force that counteracts the centrifugal force and prevents the object from flying out, keeping it moving instead with a uniform speed along a circular path. So correct answer is centripetal force. Option B is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 13. Earth escape velocity is option A 15 km per second, B 7 km per second, C 21.1 km per second, D 11.2 km per second. So correct answer is 11.2 km per second. D is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 14. Kerosene rises in the wick of the stove. Kerosene rises in the wick of the stove is due to option A, surface tension, B, osmosis, C, diffusion, D, buoyancy. Kerosene oil rising in the wick of the stove is due to the surface tension of the oil. The wick of the lamp has many holes which act as capillaries. So kerosene keeps on rising in the capillaries. So correct answer is surface tension. Option number A is the correct answer. Go to next question. The region of mirage is due to the phenomena of option 1, interference, B, polarization, C, diffraction, D, total internal reflection. The mirage is caused by the total internal reflection of light at layers of air of different density. So correct answer is total internal reflection. Option number D is the correct answer. Go to next question. National Science Day. জাতীয় বিজ্ঞান দিবস. National Science Day is observed on option A, January 28, February 28, C, March 28, D, April 28. National Science Day is observed in India on 28 February each year to mark discovery of Raman effect by Indian physicist C.V. Raman on 28 February 1928. So 28 February is the correct answer. Option number B is the correct answer. Go to next question. Red light is used in traffic signal. Red light is used in traffic signal because A, it has longest wavelength, B, it has shortest wavelength, C, it looks beautiful, D, it is visible for the person suffering from eyesight. So students know the wavelength of red color is highest while the violet color is lowest. Dispersal is inverse to wavelength, so it is seen more clear. That is why the red color is used in traffic. Highest wavelength. It has longest wavelength. So it has longest wavelength. Option A is the correct answer. That's why it is used in traffic signal. Go to next question. Question number 18. At absolute temperature, the electric resistance in semiconductor is. At absolute temperature, the electric resistance in semiconductor is A. Infinite, B. Small, C. High, D. Zero. The electrical conductivity of a semiconductor at absolute temperature is zero, and they behave like insulator. At this temperature, the electric resistivity becomes infinite. So correct answer is infinite. Option A is the correct answer. Go to next question. Major gaseous pollutants of thermal power station is option A H2S, B NH3, C NO2, D SO2. So major gaseous pollutant of thermal power station is SO2, sulfur dioxide. So option number D is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 20. The technique of calculating the age of fossil organism is option A radiocarbon dating, B electroplating, C micro manipulation, D counting annual rings. So the technique of calculating the age of fossil organism is radiocarbon dating developed by Willard Levy and his colleagues in 1949. So radiocarbon dating is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. सो आज बहुत इंपोर्टाट प्रश्न आप 20 रु केतोटी ठीक करले निश्चय कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखि पठातु एवं चैनल को प्लीज प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर दिंतु ताफल आमर जो प्रिपेरेसन आपंकर हेल्पफुल हम आम जो क्वेश्चन आसु नहीं आसु प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आम चैनल फाइट फॉर एग्जाम यूट्यूब चैनल प्लीज सब्सक्राइब शेयर सो दैट इट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर अस एंड फॉर यू सो ये कही रखुच्छी आपण दिन शुभ मंगलमय हो जय जगन्नाथ।